This is a quick video to show you how to install the Alexa SiteRank toolbar. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you want to install this on your browser, just go to your browser. And for me, let me try to install it on Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to go to alexa.com/toolbar. So you can see it's not available for Edge, but if you use Chrome or Firefox, if you go to alexa.com/toolbar, it's going to get installed. So let's visit the same link on Firefox, even though it's already installed. So if you go to alexa.com/toolbar on your Chrome browser or the Firefox browser, you can install the browser. Just click install browser, install extension. It's going to download it and then continue installation. Click on add, and that's going to install it on your Firefox. You can also do the same on Chrome. Currently only works on Chrome or Firefox. So that's it for this video. Hope it helps you. It helps you to install the Alexa browser extension.